Morning Year 6. In maths today, we're going to do some long multiplication. Here's a couple of examples for you.
To solve this calculation, I know that I need to use long multiplication because I'm multiplying a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. So first, I need to lay out my method. I'm being careful to make sure that my columns are in line. First, I'm going to multiply 84 by 7. I know 4 multiplied by 7 is 28, so the 2 goes in the tens column and the 8 in the ones. 8 times 7 is 56. Now I know really I'm doing 80 times 7, which is 560. So the 5 therefore goes in the hundreds column, the 6 in the tens column, add that 2 tens, that's then 8. There's nothing else left to multiply by the 7. Put the 5 up into the correct place. I've used that. So I've now multiplied 84 by 7. This is my answer here. That's done. I'm now going to multiply 84 by this 3, which we know is actually 84 multiplied by 30. Because I'm multiplying by a 10, I'm going to put one placeholder in here. Four times 3 is 12. What I'm really doing is 4 times 30, which is 120. Got my 1 carried into the hundreds column. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. It's really 80 times 30. That would be 2,400. So I'm going to put my 2 in the thousands, my 4 in the hundreds, plus that 1 is 5. There's nothing else left to multiply. I've multiplied everything by the 3 now. This 2 I need to put up where it belongs, and I've used that. So this section here, this row, is actually 84 times 7. This row is 84 times 30. The calculation is asking me for 84 times 37. Times 37. So I need to add them together. 8 add 0 is 8. 8 add 2 is 10. 5 add 5 is 10, and 1 is 11. 2 and 1 is 3. 3,108 is 84 times 37. 3,108. To solve this calculation, I know that I need to use long multiplication because I'm multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So first I need to set out my calculation. 429 multiplied by 84. first, I'm going to multiply the 9 by the 4. I'm going to multiply 429 by the 4. 9 times 4 is 36. Carry the 3 across into the tens. 36. 2 multiplied by 4, which is actually 20 multiplied by 4, that's 8 or 80. Add the 3 tens. 110. 4 multiplied by 4, which is actually 400 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, so it would be 1160. So to solve this calculation, I need to use long multiplication because I'm multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So first I need to lay out my method. So that's 429 multiplied by 84. So I'm first going to multiply 429 by 4. I know 9 multiplied by 4 is 28. I know 2 multiplied by 4, which is actually 20 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Add 2 is 10. The reason that this 1 is in the hundreds column is because this 2, which is actually 20, 20 multiplied by 4 is 80. Add the 2 here, which is actually add 20. 80 add 20 is 100. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Add the 1 is 17. I know 400 times 4 is 1600. Add the 1 is 1700. Hence why those are in these columns. There's nothing else left to multiply by the 4, so this 1 can pop up there. I've used all of these numbers that I have carried. I now have multiplied everything by the 4, so that's done. I now need to multiply the 429 by this 8 here, which is actually 80. Because I need to make everything 10 times bigger, I need to put my placeholder here. 9 times 8, 72. 72. Remember, it's actually 9 times 80, which is why it's 720. 2 times 8 is 16. Add the 7. 23. The reason it's 2,300 is because 20 times 80 is actually 1,600. Add 7 tens is 2,300. 4 times 8 is 32. Add this 2 here is 34. I've now multiplied everything by the 80, so this 3 needs to go back up into the right place. I've used this, I've used this, and I've used this. So I now need to add these two rows together. 8 add 0 is 8, 0 add 2 is 2, 7 add 3 is 10, 1 add 4 is 5, add the 1, 3, the reason that I need to add this row and this row together is because I wanted to find 429 multiplied by 84. So this row was 429 multiplied by the 4. This row was 429 multiplied by 80. To find 429 multiplied by 84, I needed to add those two together. This is my answer. £36,028.
Hope that was helpful. Have a really good rest of your day, and don't forget that you can email us if you get stuck. Have a good rest of your day.